Welcome back to my channel. Today I show you the best resource monitor for Linux. It's Btop++. So let's get started. To install Btop++, go to the terminal and type in sudo apt install ptop. So this is it, the best resource monitor for Linux. Let's have a brief look to the different parts. The UI overall is pretty neat and dense packed with information. In this box you can see the CPU model name, load of the physical cores, clock speed, temperature, average load, and outside the box a combined load graph. Let's take a look on the memory section. You can see the total available memory, the used memory, available memory, cached and free memory. In this box you can see your total available memory of your mounted disks and also used and free space. On the other hand, the network tab consists of two sections, the download and the upload section. You can also see a combined graph, which is representing your traffic. But the most important thing for a resource manager is for sure the process tab. By pressing F, you can search for a specific process. To enable the tree view, I have to press E. Let's try to terminate the whole Docker tree by pressing T. I go to the parent nodes and press T for the terminate signal. You can change the order category by pressing the arrow keys left and right. To reverse the order you have to press R. But the best thing is you can change the theme in the menu. Just hit Escape and Options. In total there are 28 themes. Let's cycle through them. Each section has its own number. By pressing this number you can change the visibility of the tab. The customizability of this resource manager is really great. Not to forget, you can see your uptime in the left corner. Hopefully you can manage your resources now like a pro. Q and out.